Hello students, today we will be moving to new chapter, the coastal plains and the islands. The learning objectives of this chapter are we will learn about coastal plains and islands and their physical features and their importance. Along the east and west coast of India lie two strips of plains. These are known as the coastal plains. A coast is the land beside or near the sea or the ocean. India has a beautiful coastline that stretches all around the Indian peninsula. The length of the Indian coastline is about 7,000 kilometers. On the west, we have the western coastal plains, and on the east, we have the eastern coastal plains. The western coastal plains. The western coastal plains lie between the Arabian Sea and the Western Ghats. It is a long, narrow stretch with many small gulfs and bays which form natural harbors. Mumbai in Maharashtra, Vasco in Goa, and Kochi in Kerala are the famous natural harbors of this region. There are many ports along the western coast. The western coastal plains are divided into three parts: Gujarat Coast, Konkan Coast, and Malabar Coast. Now, this is Gujarat Coast. The Gujarat Coast is broadest between the Gulf of Kutch and the Gulf of Khambhagat. A gulf is an inlet of the sea that has a large area of water, partially surrounded by land. The Konkan Coast. The south of the Gujarat coast is the Konkan Coast, extends up to Goa. The coastline here is narrow, rocky, and uneven. That is why lighthouses along the coast warn ships about the rocks that lie just beneath the surface of the sea. The Konkan coast is rich in petroleum and many oil wells are found here. Malabar Coast. The Malabar Coast lies to the south. The uneven edges of the coastline have also formed a number of lagoons or backwaters. Lagoons are lakes of salt water that get separated from the sea by barrier islands or reefs. Kanyakumari is known for its beautiful sunrise and sunset. The eastern coastline, the major southern rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri all form deltas along the eastern coastline. The land has become fertile due to the mineral rich soil. A lot of paddy is grown here. So, the plain is also called the rice bowl of India. It has two important ports, Chennai and Visakhapatnam. Now, this is the eastern coastline. You can see this map here in which your eastern and western coastline is marked. To my right side, that is your right hand side, it is eastern coastline, and to the left hand it is western coastline. This coast can be divided into two parts: the northern circus, the Coromandel coast. Both these coasts meet at the southernmost point of the Indian peninsula, Kanyakumari. This is the southernmost point of the Indian mainland. This is also the place where the three bodies around India meet. Eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. They start from the Ganga Delta in the west Bengal and end in Kanyakumari. Now we will be moving to islands. Off the coast, deep into the sea, are some small pieces of land surrounded by water on all four sides. These are called islands. There are two groups of islands on both sides of the Indian peninsula. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated in the Bay of Bengal. There are a group of about 300 islands. Their capital is Port Blair. These islands are hilly and covered with forest. Here, too, only a few of the islands are inhabited, mostly by tribal groups. The famous cellular jail is in Andaman. Only 38 islands are inhabited. Lakshadweep Islands. They are situated in the Arabian Sea to the west of Kerala. These islands are about 36 in number. Their capital is Kavaratti. These islands, which are generally flat, are well known for their coral deposits. But not all of them are inhabited. Only 11 islands are inhabited. Now we will be moving to the importance of the coastal plains and islands. Many ports are found along the coast. They are important for inland and foreign trade. We also have many important harbors. Many of the seaside towns are popular holiday and tourist destinations. Fishing is an important occupation. A variety of crops such as rice, coconut and rubber are grown here. Islands are also popular tourist attractions. About the climate, the coastal plains have moderate climate. As they are so close to the sea, the days are warm and humid, and nights generally cool as the sea breeze blows towards the land at night. I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.